Power the Lariba BJP na Luchingba Center Lingakna Congress Party Amadi Gandhi Family Kibadagi National Herald case Asi Puthogtuna Laiva Asigi Maruiba issue sing Nathai na Bohona Vanihina AICC spokesperson Advocate Matthew Anthony na Maral Sirakli BT Rota Laiba Congress Vavanda Paumi Singa Unavamada Matthew na BJP ki Mathakta Maralasi Sirakibani Congress spokesperson asana makataraduna Congress Party ki Luchingba Rahul Gandhi na Congress Party ki historic oiraba Gujarat session da BJP ki asoiba sing miyam da chapchana thamki madugi matungda Prime Minister Narendra Modi amati Home Minister Amit Shah na BJP ki extortion machine oiriba Enforcement Directorate asi sizinaraga Congress Party ki mathakta aranba National Herald case laukhattuna Congress Parliamentary Party ki chairperson Sonia Gandhi Opposition Leader Rahul Gandhi ki mathakta charge ama file tawbani thawong asi atay karisunate political witch hunt ni haiki mahang na makataraduna center ta leiriba Modi na luching balenga asana ED gi kuthangda ahan boy na Congress Party amadi Gandhi family ki miyoy singda yamna ngakpa mawong da sale amadi asset amata transfer tawdabida money laundering case ama charge tawri company gi leiriba senfam pumba company na toliba senfam pumba Singdok hiduna company gi balance sheet ta aton ba senfam ama fawba leitre masi common practice amadi masi logi mitiang da su yari adubo Modi na luching balenga asina ED asibu election department oina onthok yamna ikai khangdaba amadi aranba mongda politics ki khudong chanaba seasonary haina su amurak siki mara sirakli PM Modi amadi Amit Shah gi political intimidation nagi yamna loser daba thawong asi Congress Party na chapchana thengnagani aseng mana mamaida suksoi soidana mai pakani haina spokesperson asana phongdokhi Paugi mifamadu da CLP leader Okram Ibobi MPCC ki president Kaisa Mega Chandra amadi MPCC ki vice president Hareshwar Goswami susarukyaki
It is the insecurity, it is the inferiority, it is the failure of the Narendra Modi government and the BJP to cover their entire administrative and governance failure as well as to cover their extreme right-wing fundamentalism because of the fear that the Gandhi family and Congress Party has a place in every single heart of every Indian. They are so scared that if that remains, they will find it difficult to come back to power again and again. The power of BJP is a short-term phenomenon. It is the Congress Party who fought for this country much before. BJP has nothing to say about the freedom struggle of this country. They have no legacy. They are a party of a house of lie cards, a house of cheating, a house of misleading these people of the country. And that fear and that scare is driving them to put or defame the Gandhi family and the Congress Party, which we oppose it fair and square. We put all the evidences in front of you. We put it back to the BJP and the Narendra Modi government. If you dare fight on merits, why do you want to fight on lie? And truth will always triumph.